Waxing at home can seem intimidating, but trust us, it doesn't have to be. Whether you're new to waxing or just looking for some expert tips, this video has got you covered. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is waxing? Waxing is a hair removal method that pulls hair from the root, leaving your skin smooth for weeks. Unlike shaving, it delays regrowth and reduces the risk of razor bumps. So why choose waxing over shaving or hair removal creams? Waxing offers longer-lasting results and smoother skin. Plus, over time, it can make your hair grow back thinner. Win-win. Beyond smooth skin, waxing can also act as a mini exfoliation, removing dead skin cells and leaving your skin glowing. When it comes to at-home waxing, you'll typically choose between hard wax and soft wax. Hard wax is gentler on sensitive areas, while soft wax is great for larger areas like legs. For a successful waxing session, you'll need a wax warmer, applicator sticks, waxing strips, if you're using soft wax, and soothing aftercare products. You can find quality waxing kits online or at your local beauty store. Look for trusted brands with great reviews. Preparation is key. Start by exfoliating your skin a day or two before waxing. This helps remove dead skin cells and prevents ingrown hairs. Next, apply a thin layer of pre-wax oil or lotion to protect your skin. This step is especially important if you're using hard wax. Avoid waxing over irritated, sunburned, or broken skin. It's best to wait until your skin has fully healed. Make sure to heat your wax to the right consistency. It should be warm and spreadable, not too hot to avoid burns. When applying the wax, spread it in the direction of hair growth. This helps grab the hair more effectively. When it's time to remove the wax, pull it off in the opposite direction of hair growth in one swift motion. Be confident and it'll hurt less. After waxing, soothe your skin with aloe vera gel or a post-wax cooling lotion. This helps reduce redness and irritation. To prevent ingrown hairs, exfoliate regularly and moisturize your skin daily. This keeps your skin smooth and healthy. To maintain your waxing results, avoid shaving in between sessions and try to wax every 4 to 6 weeks. And that's it. Waxing at home doesn't have to be scary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and beauty tips from MTH Health. See you next time.